Hi, my name's Kale, and welcome to this episode of Auto Analysis, where I'll be explaining badge engineering. Also known as rebadging, the basic idea is when two or more car manufacturers use the same design and just change certain things such as the badges and interior features to pass it off as their own. This is a very common practice, and even more so in more recent years. There are two main reasons why manufacturers might opt for rebadging. The first and most obvious reason being to cut costs. It's much more cost effective for a car manufacturer to produce a car that has already been designed, developed and manufactured and just make slight changes, as opposed to designing it from the ground up, which is very expensive, takes a lot of time and uses up a lot of resources. A very popular example of this is Suzuki and Toyota, where Toyota has rebadged 4 of the Suzuki models for the South African market. Those models include the very popular Suzuki Baleno, rebadged as the Toyota Starlet, the smaller Suzuki Celerio, rebadged as the Toyota Vitz, the 7-seater Suzuki Ertiga, known in the Toyota dealerships as the Toyota Rumion, as well as the compact SUV Suzuki Grand Vitara, rebadged as the Toyota Urban Cruiser. This has allowed Toyota to diversify their range, and it also benefits Suzuki in that they are associated with the reliability and the household name of Toyota. These two manufacturers still remain two separate entities, and Suzuki is not going to let go of its Suzuki Swift and Jimny designs anytime soon. On to the second reason why manufacturers might opt for rebadging, and that is to redesign their model to appeal to a different target audience. This can be seen in the BMW Z4 and the Toyota Supra Mark V, where the Supra shares the platform with the BMW. So it has the BMW drivetrain, suspension, chassis, as well as the power plant. Although there are some tweaks to the way they've been tuned and set up, the biggest difference is in their design. Toyota has redesigned the outer shell to make the Z4 Cabriolet into a coupe. This is a much more controversial example of badge engineering. Die-hard Supra fans were not so happy that the Mark V is sharing the platform and bare bones with the BMW, especially because that hasn't been the case with the last 4 models of the Supra. Basically, badge engineering or rebadging is taking one car and turning it into 2. Badge engineering can range from literally changing the logo on the front and the back of the car to changing the entire outer shell to appeal to different target audience. If you ask me, I don't see anything wrong with it. Anything to make them a bit cheaper is a good thing in my books. And as for the Supra, if keeping a legend alive means that it needs to share the platform with another car, then I don't see the issue in it. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching.